Enable After Hours Occupancy to allow a single space to have two different occupancy modes. Normal hours occupancy is likely the preference during normal work hours, and after hours occupancy is likely the preference after hours or outside of normal business hours. Enabling after hours occupancy is a way to save even more energy during time periods when you don't expect people to be congregating in a space, but could expect occasional, short occupancy, such as security passing through. The default settings for after hours occupancy are configured as follows. Vacancy timeout triggers lights to turn off if motion has not been detected after a time delay of 5 minutes, anticipating that occupants are more likely to be passing through the space instead of staying in it after hours. The default occupied light level is set to 75% when the space is occupied, with a fade rate of 2 seconds, providing light for safety while occupants pass through the space. The default vacant light level is set to 0% with a fade rate of 10 seconds, turning the lights off when there is no one in the space. This saves energy and costs. Setting any percentage greater than 0 would set the lights to a dim level rather than off. We encourage you again to check that your minimum light level meets local code requirements. In the cafeteria at the Detroit Electrical Industry Training Center, the vacancy timeout is set to 2 minutes because we expect our occupants to be passing through the space rather than congregating. We've set the occupied light level to 50% because they don't need as much light when passing through. When the location is vacant, light level is set to 0% or off. Click the bottom right green checkbox to save changes and perform a sync when ready so the features take effect on your site's devices.